Assalamu alaikum children. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to my class. Let us start our next class, children. Operating a computer. Children, in the previous chapter we have learned about the parts and functions of a computer. Now let's learn how to use a computer. To start a computer, follow this step. Before this class, we have learned what is a computer, what are the parts and what are the functions. Now let us see how computer will operate. Switch on the main power supply button. Yes, we should switch on this. First step is what? To switch on the main power supply button. Next, switch on the UPS button. If the electricity goes off, the UPS makes the computer work. We should on this button, UPS button. If the electricity is going off, this will make the computer work. Switch on the power supply button on the CPU. In the CPU, at the bottom of the CPU, we are having one button. We should switch on that. First, we should on the main power supply button. Next, we should on the UPS button. Next, CPU. Next, switch on the monitor button and wait for the some time. You should switch on here, monitor, and you have to wait for the some time. Let us see. Children, you will enjoy using Windows as it is very easy to use. Windows is the most popular program that makes a computer work. Yes, Windows is the most popular program that makes a computer to do work. Once the computer is switched on, you get the first display screen known as desktop. Once the computer is on, you will get the screen. Nothing but this first screen of a computer is called as desktop. What it is called as? The first screen of a computer is called as desktop. The desktop holds many small pictures known as icons. These are nothing but the icons. In mobile phone, we are having apps. In the same way, in here computer, we are having icons. What are these? Icons. Children, you can view only one thing when you peep through your bedroom window. Yes, we can see only one thing from the window. Let us see. Now you can see different views from your window. In the same way, you can open and view many programs in Windows like Paint, movies and games. From our home window, we can see only one thing. But in our computer window, we can see many things like Paint, movies, music and games. Let us start a program. To open the WordPad program, follow the steps given below. First, we should start here the start button. Here we are having this start button. We should start for this. Then we have to go for the programs, accessories, WordPad. The WordPad window will be displayed. The WordPad window will be displayed. Title bar. The topmost, this is nothing but a title bar. The topmost bar of the WordPad window is known as title bar. This is nothing but a title bar. Heading type. Resizing a window. You can change the size of the window. Look at the control buttons at the top right corner of the title bar. You can minimize, maximize and close. Minimize, we can do small, we can do big and we can close it. Nothing but resizing a window. Click on the middle button, restore down. See a middle button, restore here. Restore down. The WordPad window will become smaller in size. Click on the middle button to get back into the normal size. These three buttons we are having: minimize, maximize, close. Minimize, small, maximize, big, and close means to exit. Now moving the window. Click on the middle button, restore down. The window will become smaller in size. See, the window will become smaller in size. After minimizing, you have to click on the minimizing button. The WordPad window will become smaller. Click and hold the left mouse button on the title bar. Drag the WordPad window to the right side. Now move the pointer over the desktop area and click once. The title bar of the WordPad window turns gray. This means that it is not active. The WordPad window will turn into gray. See, here it's gray. It means the WordPad window is not active. Now click once on the WordPad working area. The title bar turns blue. It means the WordPad window is active. When it turns into gray, that means it is not active. When it turns into blue, it is an active. So this is the opening and minimizing the WordPad. Now let us see how to shut down a computer. Now wait for some time till the computer turns off automatically. Let us see. First we have to click on this start button. Which button? This start button. Here we are having the shutdown option. Now wait for some time till the computer turns off automatically. Then switch off the monitor button, switch off the UPS and main power supply button. See, first we have to click on where? Start button. Here we are having the button of shutdown. Here we are having the option of shutdown. You have to click on this. Within a few seconds, the monitor will be turns off automatically, you should off all the buttons and switch off main power supply button. I hope children you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you. How to operate a computer. Thank you.